have my organic solution here. I'm gonna pour it into my SEP funnel through a glass funnel. I'm gonna make sure that the stopper is closed and not open, because otherwise my solution's just gonna go straight through and then I'll be sad. So I pour it in. Then I have my aqueous layer here. Mine is colored for your benefit. Yours will not be colored. It just came off of ice, so it's cold. I'm gonna put my aqueous layer in as well. And I'm gonna use some of my aqueous layer here to rinse out the rest of the organic. Swirl it around a little bit and pour it all in. Now that I have both my aqueous layer and my organic layer in my flask, you guys can see that there's a separation there. I'm gonna cap it. I'm gonna take it out of the ring stand. And I'm going to hold the cap on, invert the funnel, and vent it. Notice that I'm not pointing the funnel towards my face. It's away from my face. I'm gonna shake it and vent it, making sure that everything is mixed together. Then I'm going to place it back on the ring stand. So now these layers have separated. I've waited. There's no bubbles between them anymore. So I have this handy dandy flask labeled aqueous, and I'm going to drain the aqueous layer into the aqueous flask. If I try to drain it while the stopper is on, nothing is going to happen except sadness. So we're going to take the stopper off, and then we're going to drain the aqueous layer. So I have my funnel back on here, and I have saturated sodium bicarbonate solution. I'm going to add that. So I have my aqueous solution with the sodium bicarb, and I have my organic. I'm going to take my stirring rod, and I'm going to stir it to get most of the carbon dioxide out. Have the cap back on. As soon as I invert it, I'm going to vent it because I have some sodium bicarb in there, which is pretty reactive. So there's going to be lots of CO2. So I invert and I vent immediately. You guys see the bubbles? And if you turn your computer volume up, you can hear a little